Let's open the package of the single room energy recovery ventilator and check what's inside. You can find the user manual, ventilator machine and some accessories. Let's see more details. Indoor unit with auto shutter. User manual. Remote controller and installation accessories. Rubber ring. Nozzle extension tube. Air inner duct. External ventilation hood. Then, prepare installation tools as listed. If it is not possible to install from the external wall, high buildings and there is no standing platform, please follow the steps below. 1. Determine the installation center point. Draw out an installation circle measured by the single duct. 2. Aim at the center point, drill a hole, greater than or equal to 5170 mm, by a drill. 3. Grasp the adjustable bracket and push the outer duct out of the wall, shaking the outer duct slightly if it is hard to be pushed out, which might take you some strength. 4. Handle the bracket to turn the outer duct forward and backward, left and right to make the air inlet/outlet installed downward correctly by the sign of the external ventilation hood. 5. Fill the gap between the wall and duct with PU foam and extension tube, using waterproof sealing glue for the gap close to indoor to against rainwater. The inner duct should parallel with indoor wall surface. 6. Fill the foam glue according to the 8 point of the adapt bracket evenly, as view. Then wait for the glue to dry. 7. Align the round hole of the panel with the round hole on the wall, use a level ruler to ensure a horizontal installation, then mark and punch in 4 6mm expansion rubber grains, align the panel with the hole and fix it with screws. 8. Overlapping the inner duct into the outer duct, making sure that the wire clip of the inner duct is facing straight below. Please make sure the filters, regenerator, fan and bracket are placed in order inside the inner duct. 9. Install the main unit on the wall, and connect it with the inner duct in the wall. Tidy the wiring. Align the main unit with the plastic block protruding on the back panel. The strong magnet on the back of the main unit will automatically attract the back panel. After installation, make sure no gap between the main unit and the panel. If yes, it means that the wires in the main unit are not sorted well, then please remove and reinstall the main unit. 10. Connect to the power and turn off the ERV unit with remote controller. If there is a standable platform outside the room, please follow the steps below. Drill a hole of greater than or equal to 5160 mm by a drill, push the outer duct through the wall from outside, make sure to fill some styrofoam or waterproof glue into the gap between the duct and the hole. And then repeat the procedures from steps from 7 to 11 to install the unit. That's all for the installation of single room energy recovery ventilator. Thanks for watching. We deliver clean and fresh air for your life.